Welcome to Jaxon Toy Reviews.
What's your name?
Jaxon and Ryan.
And how old are you?
4.
And when's your birthday?
5th.
Awesome. Why don't you show us your toys, Jackson? Explain what it is.
The Krabby Patty.
A Krabby Patty. Is that a hamburger by Melissa and Doug?
And that from SpongeBob.
Okay, what else do you have, Jackson?
Cheese.
Welcome to Alicia's Toy Review and my co-star.
And welcome to my Jaxon Toy Reviews.
We're coming to you live from our basement and we're going to review some toys today.
And we're going to come to your house, Ryan.
Someday. Jackson's a big fan of Ryan's toy review.
Yeah.
Why don't you show Ryan some of your toys, Jackson? That's great. What is that?
The fire station.
Imaginext Fire Station. That's awesome. And what other Imaginext do you have? Is that Batman over there?
That's about the same.
Holy smokes.